Hi guys, I thought I'll just do a quick little vlog. Excuse some of the mess, you probably can't see it if I just angle it properly. But yeah, this is just a quick haul of some stuff I got that's relating to baths. So I got some Epsom salt, and my mate told me that this is really good for if you have aches and pains or if you're having trouble sleeping. I do actually remember this salt being in my home as a child. And you know, the power of influence and the power of a conversation. So I was at work, and then I mentioned to my colleague that I got some stuff from Lush. I'll show you what I got from Lush actually. This is the honey lip scrub, and my lips are so dry, and I also referred to this. And this is a face mask. I got this ages ago, like in April, yeah. So yeah, based on that conversation, she was like, "Oh, have you tried their bath bombs?" I was like, "No." So of course I went and got their bath bombs, one of their bath bombs. Well, I bought one, and I'll tell you about this box in a bit. So I got this bath bomb. Let me try and get this out. So this is the bath bomb. It absolutely smells divine, and it's called the Big Blue Bath Bomb. My cheap self is going to cut this in half. It is so big. I don't think it's really coming across as how big it is. Let me put it in my hand. You see that? Boom. So I'm going to pop that in there. It's really crumbling. I feel like having a bath today. And I got... So I was in the shop with my friend, and then I was like smelling loads of bath bombs. By the way, the staff in Lush are amazing. They're super helpful. So my friend got me this box, and it has a number of bath bombs. Well, yeah, I'm going to try and open this real quick. Yeah, so I've just taken off the ribbon, and I've got the paper to do. In this box, we have this. Hopefully it focuses. No, you don't want to focus, Bill. There we go. So let's see. I've already seen these because when I was in Lush, the guy was talking us through what is in there. Trying to hold a camera and open this paper is not possible right now. So let me turn off the camera and come back to you. So I've ripped off the paper, as you can see, and I'm left with this yellow box. And can I just say, the smell is absolutely divine. I've just seen some remnants of the bath bomb in there. I have a feeling it might be broke, but we'll see. Ooh, look at this. And then they have, what do they have in here? Going naked is better. Laugh out loud. What is that? Naked. I'm into modest fashion. We need to keep our clothes on. So I got the Sakura, the Sex Bomb, and Rose Jam. Thank you, friend. I don't know if I should name drop my friend. Thanks, Elvira. Yeah. So this is the box. This is what it looks like. It's got these foam. Which we really don't need. And this is the Sakura. See how big it is? I have small hands, but this is huge. It smells really good. When we were in the shop, actually, I think my friend noticed the ones I was like, I gravitated towards. Ah, Ulti break. Lush, it's broken. This is the Rose Jam. But it's broken. Doesn't it look like a macaron? It does. I feel like having a bath this evening. And this is the Sex Bomb. This is huge. This. Oh, so I have to use this one. But sorry, I don't know how to put my camera in focus. That's why it does all that noise. I said that and it stopped. But yeah, this is my impromptu Lush haul / unboxing. So I have 4 yeah, a total of 4 bath bombs to use. I might take all this out and then put all the bombs in here. Yeah, I really want to use this today. Yeah, thanks for watching.